It is a question in GATE 2020 asked for 2 marks. And here the question is, consider a schedule of transactions T1 and T2. One schedule is given. I am calling this schedule is S with some read and write operations and containing 2 transactions T1 and T. And here RA indicates read A, WB indicates write B. Now the question is, which of the following schedules is conflict equivalent to the above schedule? Two schedules S1 and S2, if you want to say both are conflict equivalent, whatever the conflicts are there in S1, same conflict should be there in S2. It means whatever conflict operations are there in S1, same conflict operation should be there in the S2. First, we'll understand what are the conflict operations. We have 3 conflict operations: read 1A, write 2A, we call it is read write conflict, and write 1A, read 2A, we call it is write read conflict, and write 1A and write 2A, we call it is write write conflict. Conflict operations are the operations on same data A, but different transaction. It is transaction 1, it is transaction 2, like this. At least one write you can see: read write, write read, write write. These are the 3 conflict operations. Such conflict operations, whatever is there in S1, same conflicts if there in S2, then we can call S1 and S2 are conflict equivalent schedules. Because the question is about conflict equivalence, first we'll see what are the conflicts in S, means in the given schedule, and check is the same conflicts are there in the options. First we'll check what are the conflicts that are there in given schedule. Here you observe the T1 is having the first operation read A. Read A of T1 is going to conflict with write A of T2. Just check it, there are no write A operations in T2, means the first operation of T1 is not going to conflict with any operations. Now here the second operation, read B of T2, is going to conflict with write B of T1 operations. Here you can see write B. It means there is a first conflict of the given schedule is read 2B is conflict with write 1B. This is a first conflict. And next, this write B is going to conflict with read B or write B of other transactions. Means we have one more conflict. This write B is also going to conflict with this write B. So means we have one more conflict. Write 2B is conflicting with write 1B. Now the third operation, read C is going to conflict with write C. You see, what is the third conflict we have? R1C is conflicting with W2C. And we have one more conflict, read 2D is going to conflict with write 1D. So we have fourth conflict, read 2D is going to conflict with write 1D. And no more conflicts. Means we have these 4 conflicts in the given schedule. I am calling conflict 1, conflict 2, conflict 3, conflict 4. These are the 4 conflicts in the given schedule. If same 4 conflicts, if they're in any of the options, then that option is called conflict equivalent schedule. Check with option A. Read 2B is going to conflict with write 1B. Read 2B, write 1B. Read 2B, write 1B. This is a conflict 1. So means this option is having the first conflict of the given schedule. Now write 2B is also conflict with write 1B. That is write 2B, write 1B. It is a second conflict is also there. Now read 2D is going to conflict with write 1D. That is a fourth conflict is also there in option A. And you also check read 1C conflict with write 2C. That is the third conflict. That is also there in the option A. Any more conflicts? No more conflicts. Means whatever the conflicts are there, all conflicts are there in the given schedule. So the answer for this question is option A. We also check why option B is wrong, C is wrong, D is wrong. check for why option B is wrong. In option B, read A do not have any conflict. Read C had a conflict with write C. Means it had a conflict read 1C and write 2C. That is a conflict 3 there in the option B. And we have one more conflict, write 1D conflict with read 2D. But here when you observe what conflict we have in the given schedule, we have read 2D write 1D, means it is a conflict from 2 to 1. But here in the option it is conflict from 1 to 2, means this conflict is not present in the given schedule. Now I can conclude that option B is wrong. Now coming to option C. In option C also you observe read 1C is conflicting with write 2C. That is a conflict 3 present in the option C. And write 2D is conflict with 1D, conflict with read 2D. Here also write 1D conflict with read 2D. But we have the fourth conflict read 2D write 1D. But here it is 1 to 2. But in the given schedule it is 2 to 1. This is not present. So that option C is also incorrect. Now coming to option D. The conflict here is read 2B conflict with write 1B. The first conflict is there. And write 2B conflict with write 1B. That is a conflict 2. Second conflict is also present. And read 2D conflict with write 1D. Read 2D write 1D, that is a fourth conflict, that is also present. Write C had a conflict with read C, that is write 2C. So it is a conflict from 2 to 1. But in the given schedule the same conflict is there in the order from 1 to 2, because it is read 1C write 2C. But here it is mentioned write 2C read 1C, means this conflict is not satisfied. So answer option D is also incorrect option. So the correct answer for this question will be option A.